Hey, what's happening, guys? Good morning, YouTube. You have tuned into Rules for Rebels, and we are back with another episode of Weird Products Daily, our new daily series. For anybody new to the series, this is a series where we just explore cool gadgets, interesting products, gag gifts, and just kind of weird stuff. The goal here, for those of you guys who are drop shippers, some ideas of products to drop ship. These are impulse buy type items and tend to do pretty well. Get those creative juices flowing and kind of get you thinking about new niches and new product ideas. And a lot of times we'll find kind of good concepts for products, but poor execution and things that have bad Amazon reviews. So if you guys could copy this product, find a way to improve it, get it manufactured yourself, and try to roll out an improved version, that could potentially get you a hot-selling Amazon item. So that's kind of the purpose of this series, as well as just kind of looking at fun gift ideas and fun things that you might want to buy for yourself as well. This one that we're going to be doing today, yesterday we did the Air phone, which was an invisible phone. It was kind of a stupid gag gift. Today is actually a very practical item. It's called the ZipStitch, and I would say it falls into kind of the survival camping niche, which is kind of a really popular one right now and has been for a while. Essentially, if you're out in the wilderness, if you're out boating, something like that, and you get a cut, you get yourself hurt, this is going to allow you to essentially kind of give yourself stitches. I thought it was kind of neat, and I actually have a short video here, so we'll take a quick look at this, and I think this will explain this product better than I could myself.
ZipStitch, surgical quality design. Trusted by top hospitals for years, Zip wound closure technology is now available without a prescription. ZipStitch is secured on both sides of your wound with two 1.5-inch strips of a unique hydrocolloid pressure-sensitive adhesive, engineered to last for up to.
And I think something like this would be neat. I go boating a lot, I go camping a lot, and sometimes you're out in the middle of nowhere camping for the weekend. If you get yourself a cut, you don't always have supplies, or you don't want to have to go all the way back home to get stitches. So this would kind of get you through a couple days until you get home to go to emergency care or whatever.
ZipStitch's zip ties are very easy to handle and control. Multiple zip ties allow you to adjust the pulling force across the length of the wound for just the right amount of closure at all parts of the wound. The micro-adjustable zip ties put you in complete control of the closure.
Oh, so they go on kind of selling this item to you further. One other thing I've noticed, man, I don't know about you guys, but I think video ads can really make products look really cool that are otherwise kind of uninteresting. I get a lot of YouTube pre-roll ads, and there's one video where I see this guy's like sitting in his truck, and he's like, I don't know if you like gadgets or not, but I'm a dad, and I love gadgets, and look at this solar charger. And he's got like a little power bank that has some solar chargers on the top of it. Now, really, it's another, $5 AliExpress or Alibaba product. But the way that he kind of like talks it up and sells it in the video actually kind of makes it interesting. I almost found myself being like, I kind of need a solar-powered battery bank, even though I don't need one. There's another one. It might be the same guy or a different guy selling a flashlight. And again, just another run-of-the-mill, Alibaba flashlight, but it's got a solar charger in it, and he talks about how durable it is. And so I think products that kind of lend themselves to demonstration really kind of help you to kind of sell that product. But yeah, this could be anybody who already has a store or is drop shipping in the survival niche, which I know is a lot of people. This is kind of a cool product that you could kind of add to your lineup. And this one actually has pretty good reviews. It's got 76 4-star reviews. Probably not something you'd be able to private label on your own. I'm guessing they have a patent on this technology. And I'm guessing to sell it, I could be completely wrong, I'm guessing to sell it, you may need some kind of like FDA approval or something like that. I believe these guys say that this is no longer prescription required. So I'm assuming it's at one point this required a prescription. But yeah, I thought this was a pretty neat product. I'll link to it in the description box below if any of you guys want to check it out any further. But yeah, camping, survival, outdoor niche is kind of a hot one, and if you already have a store in that area, I could see this kind of being an interesting product to sell. Or if you have kind of more of a general drop shipping store, this would also be a cool gadget as well. So let me know if any of you guys have ever tried these or ever bought these. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button down below, especially if you want to see more Weird Product Daily videos. And until tomorrow, Rules for Rebels and Weird Products Daily signing out.